Hello, it's Peony Prashanti, and I'm going to sit down today because this is going to take some time. And I'm going to show you today how to get rid of stress. A wonderful recipe on how to get rid of stress in your life. What you need is a pot, and it can be small, it can be big, depends on how much stress you have. And you fill it up with some water. Okay. And you need a pencil. Don't use a pen, use a pencil because you're going to be cooking this. And some paper. Brown is good. I wouldn't use the white paper because, you know, they put some bleach and some other chemicals in there. And you're going to be cooking this. And you're going to put it in your compost bin later on when it spoils. And you're going to spoil it. So, get a piece of paper, get some brown paper bag. You know, you go to the grocery store and you buy some things in bulk and you end up with a bag and you don't want to just throw it away, so make use of it. You can use a scissors to cut. I don't cut straight lines very well, so just shred them. It depends on how much stress you have and how many things you want to, you know, get rid of. Then you write them down on the paper, whatever's stressing you, from work or your spouse, the neighbor, something stressing you out, just write it all down. You can do this weekly. And then you can crumble it up. Oh, bring this water to a boil, a rapid boil, and then once it's boiling, then you kind of, you know, just throw it in there. And once that's boiling, bring it to a boil, turn the heat down and simmer it. And then put a lid on it. Put a lid on it. Come back. And you look at it and like, oh, it's all creamy and gooey. I can't eat that. Oh, I left it out overnight. And you know what you do with food that you left overnight in the summer on the stove? It's spoiled, right? It got really bad salmonella. So you take this to the compost, your compost bin outside, and you dump it out. Dump out all that stress you just cooked up. You can also just put a lid on it. Put a lid on it. So this was recommended by my friend, the therapist, and one way to get rid of stress. Another way is to get rid of some stress in your life that's really bothering you, and just put that in your palm. Walk to the garbage can, step on that thing that opens the lid, throw it away. You can also offer it to God. All the stress in your life, just give it to Him. Her. God. Anyway, thanks for watching, and like this video and share it with other friends that you have. And just know that all of these mental things and physical things that you do actually does help. It really does, believe me. It does. Helps me. Bye. Thanks for watching.